Hi everyone. Hi Jason, can you hear me? If you can hear me, please just press yes or press Y. And just do anything there so I can see there and I can hear. Make sure that you guys can hear that. So what a day, yeah? Nice day to be alive in the crypto market. Amazing, amazing, amazing day. Just let me type something here. Great. That's really good. Jason, thank you very much. I really do appreciate all your support, not just on YouTube membership, but also on Discord. And also, don't forget, thank you very much for always commenting, interacting. I really do appreciate, mate. Whatever you are in this world, no matter where you're from, Asian, Europe, South America, North America, thank you so much, okay? I really do appreciate. I just want to wait a couple of minutes, see if we can have more people here. This was just a live out of the blue. I didn't plan anything, but I think it's a really nice day for us to do some case study, because come live on YouTube when everything is beautiful and green, it's easy, but when everything is selling off like this, not many people have the courage to do it, okay? But today it's a good example, which pretty much affirm everything that I say every single day in my analysis, which is in relation to FOMO. As you know, I just put a post on our Discord group about what's happening today, being patient, being disciplined, things like that. So it's very important, very, very important for us to be very, very disciplined, because otherwise we do not stand a chance at all, okay? Also, guys, if anytime, if you cannot hear me, please just write something on the chat, because I am following here on the chat on my other screen. So let me know if there's anything wrong, or if you guys cannot hear us or anything like that, okay? I'm not kind of used to live stream. This is the second time I'm doing this thing. But please let me know if there's any problem or anything like that, okay? Grand Rising. Sailor, hashtag 86. Grand Rising, no idea what you mean, but anyway, I receive some weird comments sometimes on my YouTube channel that I don't have a clue what's going on. As you guys can see, I'm not like an English native speaker, so some of the slang and the cockiness words, I don't have a clue you guys talking about, to be honest, but I'll take some of the words as to be good, okay? Let's see if we get some more people here. We have 1, 2, just 3 of us so far. So how you guys feeling today? Is everything okay? It's a beautiful, I mean, if you guys manage to catch the wheelie button of the bars, especially like say Cardano or what else, Ethereum sold off quite badly as well. Let me go back to Ethereum. So if you manage to go at those levels there, what else? Solana is still doing his bits. Solana is not going anywhere for now, for whatever reason might be. XRP, amazing, amazing level if you guys manage to get that bottom. Of course, we don't know if that's going to be the bottom anyway, because price, like here, for example, when you had this sell-off here, this massive bar here, which was a consequence of the Bitcoin selling off, guess what? Nobody knew that they will keep going even more, even deeper than that. So we don't know if this is the bottom, that's for sure, okay? And we don't know if you're gonna rebound from here either. But these guys, the reason I want to do this live today, and even if it's like 5 of us, 3 of us, it doesn't matter, even if it was only one of you live, I think it's very important, because as you guys know, my channel is not about predicting, it's not about guessing, it's not about gambling, none of this stuff. Because guess what, I've been trading stocks and derivatives for the past almost 15 years, and there's no way we small investors, like I always say to you guys, we will stand any chance at all to deal with things like this, days like this. Because I don't know if you guys remember when I show you guys this type of indicator here, right? Days like this, like today in the market, like selling off bad like this, people will be like automatically squeezed out of the market, because if you over leverage yourself, especially in terms of position size, and if you don't follow our rule number 3, that going very small at the beginning, guess what? You're gonna get burned. And the thing is, some people still saying that the market's rigged. Guys, the market, it's not rigged at all. At all. We just need to play clever. We just need to be smart. That's all. That's all. Otherwise, we don't stand a chance. Because things like this in crypto is still very normal, because the market, the asset class we are dealing with cryptocurrencies, is still very, very manipulated. Okay, for whatever reason, the sell-off is happening today, which I don't have a clue what's going on. And guess what? We don't need to know that either. This has nothing to do with us. Look at this, for example. Okay, the whole thing is what? It's a bloodbath. Okay, everything is selling off, maybe apart from Solana. That's it. And FTM. The rest of the crypto space is selling off. Even Cardano, which have a massive catalyst on 12th of September, is still selling off. Okay, so the reason I always say to you guys that if we don't play the long term, we're gonna get smashed, because things like today, it can just kill us. We small retail traders, if we don't be careful, especially in terms of position size, we can get squeezed out of the market in a day, in a single day. Okay, so that's why it's always important, no matter what project you are involved in. It can be XRP, it can be Cardano, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Whatever you enter your project, make sure you guys always have that enough dry powder to manage your investment. Okay, and also don't forget, I keep saying many times, let me just clear this chat. Okay, last time I did analysis on Cardano, for example, I said to you guys, listen, why now? Although I love Cardano, although I hold a lot of Cardano, plenty of tokens, okay? I said to my analysis, look, for me, why now? I won't buy at all, because what's the reason to FOMO up here? We should have FOMO all the way down here, not up here. Okay, and like I just put on the Discord group for our members now, okay, this is a nice day to do a case study, because days like this we can do our DCA, okay, and we can also ladder in nice levels. Who ever thought in the last 24 hours someone could have bought Cardano for $2? Okay, I thought that, you know what, someone can buy Cardano for $2 the next 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, but not in the last 24 hours. But the crypto market, the crypto space is still very, very, very manipulative. And will still be like that for a while, until we have the mass adoption of all the big guys come to the space and kind of get to an equilibrium. Guess what? We still be like this. And guess what? It's amazing, because if we have like money, let's say in our portfolio in cash, we can take a lot of advantage of sell-offs like this. Okay, not that I'm to say that this is the bottom, because we can still sell off even more. We just don't know. But the thing is, buying all the way up here and buying all the way down here, it's a different story. Okay, the bottom here, it's what? It's a whopping 30% discount. So actually Cardano went down today 30% at one point. Now it's minus what? 13. But at one point you could have bought Cardano at 30% discount. Okay, and this is just Cardano. This can be any project, guys. If you look to the right here, all the things that we cover in this channel, okay, Avalanche is down like what, 21%, BTT is down 20, of course, with the recover. What else? I just covered what, Polkadot today, and I was saying to the people, wait for the pullback, wait for the pullback. So you got the pullback, okay? And then you guys might ask, like, but look, Nissan, if I have bought on the pullback here, the price is still going down. That's okay, doesn't matter. Doesn't really matter, okay? Because at least when we have that patience and discipline to wait for the price to come to us, that's fine. Because once we have this pullback here, at this level here, when we bought or whoever bought this project, we don't know if the price is going to keep going or it's going to rebound. We just don't know. But if we do manage our position size, whatever happened to the right here, like I always say to you guys, it doesn't really matter. It really does. Okay, it doesn't really matter. Okay, that's what I always say to you guys. Make sure we always take care to the things to the left, because to the right, guess what? Nobody knows what's gonna happen. Okay, are you guys still hear me? I got a thing here saying that YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. So I have no idea what it is either, guys. Just press yes or no if you guys can still hear what I'm talking about, please. I will appreciate. Let me write something here. Can you guys hear me? All right. I don't know if you guys can still hear, but actually we have. Oh, great, Jason. Thank you very much, mate. I really do appreciate. Thank you. Yeah. So it's just that's not the ways, guys. It's just pretty much what patience, discipline, and money management. Ken, why VeChain is down? VeChain is down because the whole market it's down. Simple as that. Whatever reason might be, okay. Everything is down today apart from Solana. Okay, the whole market selling off. It's still a little bit early. Okay, I'm sure that some of the news will come up very soon, the next few hours, and then we're gonna find out what's going on. But for now, I just don't know. Might be some sort of news that someone might know that we don't know, because guess what, the reason the market's down this much, guys, it's not because you are selling BTT, it's not because I'm selling Chainlink, it's not because, let's say, Jason is selling his VeChain, it's not because you can is selling your sushi. These are the big guys. These are the people that hold a lot of tokens on their portfolio, because we small retail traders or investors, we cannot move this market at all. So these might be the big guys, and the big guys sometimes they might have some sort of information that we don't. Simple as that. We cannot get to those information as quick as possible as they can. I'm not saying here, right, that why if someone has inside information or not, because I cannot prove anything. But someone might know something here that we don't know. Do you know what I mean? Let me say, he was asking, I ask, what is it down to, not why? I don't get your question, Ken. I ask, what is it down to, not why? I mean, what is down? Everything is down, not just VeChain. I kind of get your question, but I guess you asking me what everything is down, not just VeChain. So if that's what you asking me, I just don't get what your question means, but the whole thing is down today. But the main question, guys, and the main point here, it's not about, to be honest, why and what and when, because first thing first, hit the like button. Thanks, Sailor. Yeah, if you guys appreciate, I mean doing this stream here, guys, to be honest with you, I just want to make sure that I want to provide some content to you guys, especially some of you that are my usual subscriber. I don't mind about if this video is going to make money, if this video is going to go to the moon. I don't really care, to be honest. I want to make sure that this channel provides some sort of value to you guys, because I will appreciate all your support. That's all. I don't mind if it's you're gonna have, like, those people do live stream and they spend the whole time asking people to press the like button. I don't get it. I really don't get it. I think the first main focus should be on the content, no forcing people to press the like button all the time. Because if you guys like the content, that's fine. If you're not, that's nothing we can do as a content creators. Okay, we cannot force anyone to press the like button or to subscribe. We just need to provide the best content as we can, and if you guys appreciate, of course, the appreciation will come, but we don't need to force anything. Okay, but today, guys, for those of you that just arrived now, it's a really nice day. Days like this, I just love it, not just in crypto. Okay, let me show you something to you guys. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to show my my derivative portfolio. Let me see if I can. I'm not sure, guys. I'm gonna just try. Okay, I'm just gonna try here, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do it. I want to show to you guys something here which is very important. Of course, it's not to do with crypto, it's to do with the derivatives and stocks, but the idea is the same. The concept, it is the same. Okay, let me see if I can share this platform here with you guys. Just bear with me 1 second, please. This is very important, okay? Because this is just another day in the ops, nothing else. Let me see if I can share this. Oh, actually it works. Which one of this one here? I don't have a clue because I have two open here. I don't know if you guys can see. This is one of my TastyWorks platform where I trade stocks and derivatives. As you guys can see today, I'm up like what, $1,000, whatever it is. The number doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Do you see how important it is? Like in terms of diversification, we can trade stocks, we can trade derivatives, we can trade cryptocurrency, we can trade real estates. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. But our strategy, guys, our strategy should always be the same no matter what asset class we are trading. Okay, like today, for example, I don't know if you guys can see, but I put a couple of trades today, one on Dollar Tree and one on Boeing. Okay, if this was a crypto project, let's say Cardano or XRP or whatever it is, at this point here, guys, whatever Boeing might do and whatever Dollar Tree might happen, they can even lose the floor. Let me see if I can open the chart here of Boeing, for example. Okay, from now, Boeing is trading roughly like what, $212. If Boeing going to $50, $70, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because this is exactly like I showed you guys every single day in our crypto analysis, for example. Okay, because let me go back to the chart here. I'll show to you what I'm trying to say. Because, for example, if we bought, let's say, Polkadot today before the sell-off, okay? Before the sell-off, nobody knew this massive red candle would happen. Nobody can pretend it, okay? Nobody can have a clue what's going on. But if we take care of everything to the left, okay, like I always say to you guys, money you can afford to lose. Have the long-term investment in mind, because guess what? If you bought here, if you went very small, if the price eventually drop all the way down here, guess what? It's a win-win situation because you can buy even more. Because if you do believe in Polkadot for the next 3, 5, 10 years, 20 years, you should be able to buy Polkadot all the way down here as well. And this works the same as derivatives, stocks. It doesn't matter, guys. No matter what asset class you guys involved in, the strategy works for everything. Everything. Patience, discipline, and risk management. That's all. That's why I think Jason can affirm to me, because Jason, when he's also part of our Discord group, we don't do, guys, all day long like 20 indicators, 20 analysis, 40 analysis, 50 trades, ideas, because guess what? We just confuse ourselves. We don't need to complicate things. We need to use, like I said to you guys 2 days ago, the keys concept. Keep it stupid simple, or keep it simple stupid. You pick your poison. Both ways work, okay? Because like I always say to you guys, all the things to the left, all the powers are in our hands. Whatever happened to the right, guess what? We don't really care. Because if we do our research on whatever project might be, it can be Polkadot, it can be Solana, it can be XRP, it can even be Wink. Okay, one of the subscriber, let me go back to Wink here. One of the subscribers said on the comments, "God, you must be kidding. Wink is dead, blah blah." Guys, it can be any project. It doesn't matter. Okay, even if we bought Wink here, right? And Wink never recover, never. Okay, it can be another one as well. It can be MAT, it can be Solano, it can be Eng, MBL, 0x. It doesn't matter. Once we take care of things to the left, okay, Wink can go to zero. That's fine. We lose in one project. But guess what? We have another 10, 15, 20, 40, 100 projects to make money with. We don't need all our portfolio to be doing very well in order for us to make money. We only need what? Couple. And that's it. Because the return in crypto is still very, very insane. Very, very insane. That's all we have. And another thing as well, guys, we don't need to go crazy and start to invest in 50, 100 projects, because we can go crazy because every single day the exchange around the world lists what? 5, 10, 2, 3 new projects. And don't forget, we are only at the beginning of cryptocurrency asset class. Imagine how it's going to be in 5 years, 10 years. It's going to be the same as the stock market. We're going to have like thousands and thousands and thousands of other projects. If we go crazy, and like I always say to you guys on my daily analysis, if we go crazy and try to pick up projects that are just up to explode, guess what? We're going to lose all our money. That's for sure. Okay, we need just patience, no matter what it is. Because even if you lose here, for example, 1% or 2% on Wink, that's fine. Wink can go to zero. But guess what? We go to Cardano, okay, and we make money on the Cardano on the way up. Of course, not today, not today, of course. But guess what? Some of projects that we have in our portfolio, we only need like a couple of them to make money. That's all. Okay, of course, as long as you look after the other ones. Don't do what we say here in the stock market, guys. Don't eat like a bird and shit like an elephant. Sorry for my French, okay? What I mean is, don't just make $1,000 in one project and lose 40, 50 in another one. It doesn't work like that, okay? You should pretty much maintain your investment constant. Don't put 10% in one project, 40 in another, 20 in another, 100 in another. It doesn't work like that. Of course, when it comes to crypto, I mean, that's what I do myself. You need to pretty much differentiate from the major alts and the small caps. I'm not saying here to invest $1,000 on Wink and $1,000 on Cardano. It's two different type of projects, okay? But in terms of risk and money management, the strategy, it is the same, okay? The press gamer said I invest $20,000, if I'm not wrong, on 6 coins when there was at the deep, and I have 23,000 right now. Congratulations. Okay, congratulations for you. Things like these, guys. Let me go back here. Days like these are just amazing, okay? Like I was saying to you guys back those days. This is Cardano, guys, but can work for any project. We need to be very, very greedy, okay? Look at this chart here. I don't know if you guys saw down the analysis. All right, forget what it is. Forget about the words, because the word doesn't matter anything, okay? We can code this whatever you like. Just look at the chart, for example. Just look at the chart, okay? We need to be very greedy when everyone is fearful, okay? Because I can guarantee to you guys, probably 99% of the retail traders today, they'll be killing themselves. They'll be so fearful. They'll be so worried that, oh, what if Cardano goes to $1? What if Cardano goes to 50 cents? For us, long-term investors, it's a bonus. It's a gift. It's a gift from God. Because guess what, guys? I am up quite a lot on my Cardano. And don't forget, guys, if you come and join our Discord, I'm pretty much happy to disclose to you my portfolio. I really don't mind, okay? I really don't mind. But be careful, please. Be careful sharing your portfolio. Be careful sharing your keys. Be careful with the scammers online, especially on YouTube channels, especially on the comments. Don't send money. Don't buy anything. Don't do any deal with anyone online with your crypto keys, okay? Just be careful, right? But anyway, I'm very happy to disclose it to you guys, my portfolio. But I'm still up a lot on Cardano. Of course, days like today, it's I won't say it's hard, but we feel much better when things are going up. That's for sure. But that's nothing to be worried. Because even if Cardano, guys, do sell off, guess what? Need to present to us a massive opportunity to get into this project. Not just Cardano, but look to the right. Every single one of them is trading now at massive discount. All the projects that I have covered for the past, maybe 2-3 days, why now? You can buy them at a beautiful price, okay? You won't get better than this, okay? Unless if we still sell off, because for some reason, I don't know why, the Bitcoin dominance is still up. I just don't know why, because the Bitcoin is still selling off as well. But nevertheless, like I was saying to you guys, it's still an amazing place to buy all the projects that we cover in this channel. And I mean, I don't know what you guys hold in your portfolio, but look at this. These guys, you can take this as a sale week, nothing else. Everything is on the sale. You pick your poison, okay? I don't know if you guys have heard about that, but Warren Buffett one day did an interview and he said that all his wealth, all his billions, by the way, was made during market sell-off. I don't know if you guys are old enough to remember the 2007-2009 financial crisis, okay? That was really tough to trade that time. Was really stressful because the market took 2 years to recover. It wasn't like a V-shape like this year. It was really tough. I don't know, some of you had some portfolio mutual funds, index, or I don't know what you guys were up to that time. But myself, that was trading stocks and things like that, it was really tough. But when I heard from Warren Buffett, an interview, he's saying that at that time, which was 7 or 8, I don't know when it was, he said, I don't know what's going to happen in 3 months. I don't know what's gonna happen in 6 months, but in 5 years, 10 years, we will be in a much better situation. And that time that I heard that, guys, it's a life changer. It's a life change, because guess what? At that point, if Warren Buffett could not control, if Warren Buffett could not manipulate the market, let alone myself with few $1,000s in my account. Of course, I was already looking after people's money. I was already doing money management. I do have a small hedge fund myself. I trade for a living full time, but nothing compared with Warren Buffett. But when it comes from a guy like that, which has so much power, it makes you feel very, very, very confident that the strategy works. It works, okay? Another thing as well, I think I showed you guys a couple of times what Charlie Munger used to say, that if we are not willing to take some sort of drawdowns in our lifetime, 3 times, two times in our lifetime, guess what? We are just not fit enough to invest. Because look at this. What are you going to do right now? How many people today? Let me go back to the major ones, the major sell-off ones. Even Cardano, for example. Guys, how many people today, the so-called day traders, the short-term traders, all these people here that got smashed at this level here, at this date here, at this date here, at this date here, both ways, on the upside and downside. How many people today got smashed? Really smashed, squeezed out of the market. Because guess what? Trying to time the market. We do never, ever gonna time the market. I don't have nothing special about myself, and I can guarantee none of you guys have either. Okay, I've done quantitative finance in my master degree, and guess what, guys? I could come up, like I always say to you, with 50, 20 mathematical modeling, all the F-guard, I-guard, co-integration, all that crap, and guess what? None of them will help us as a small investors. None of them, apart from be patient, discipline, and do risk and money management. That's all. There's no other ways to do, guys. There's no other ways to do. That's why I always mention to you guys, you can do on your own, because when it comes to crypto, there's the road, guys. It's one-way road. That's not a two-way road. Okay, it might be cool, like people might make money. Let's say if we go down here, for example, let's go to an hour, which is the favorite day traders chart, right? People might go down here, might be able to catch some upper move here, my here, but guess what? One massive sell-off, they lose the whole thing. It just doesn't work like that, guys. It just doesn't work like that. And the more cocky they become, the more comfortable they become, the more money they're gonna lose, because the more bigger and over leveraged they get themselves. Okay, just invest for the long term, guys. There's no guessing, there's no gambling, there's no prediction, and there's no stress. It's the best lifestyle ever one can have in the market, no matter what it is. If the stock market, if they're the crypto market, derivatives, and whatever it is, okay? Like I showed you guys, right? On my stocks and derivatives, this is my actually small account that I have with TastyWorks. I have another one which is way bigger than this one here. Apart from these 2 trades here, guys, that I put today, which is Boeing and Dollar Tree, I'm not getting away from crypto here. I'm just giving an example, right? I think the last time I put any trades, guys, was probably 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. And don't forget, options can be like quite full on. Some people might trade option every single day. Whatever the strategy they might use, like earnings or credit spreads, whatever it is. You don't need to know what it is, right? I'm just giving an example. But the thing is, the last time I think I put some trades was 2 weeks ago. Because like I always say to you guys, we do not get paid by trading. We get paid by sitting in our hand. That's for sure. And take advantage of beautiful days like today. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, because maybe, let's go to Cardano, for example, right? Maybe this sell-off might continue. Maybe Cardano might go down all the way to $1. I don't know. You don't know. Nobody knows. But don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. Just like educate guess, right? Don't be surprised. Maybe this was the last chance for someone to buy these projects at a cheaper price before this bull run finished. Whenever it's going to finish, in 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. We just don't know. Don't be surprised. Okay, of course. Why now? It's a 50-50. Nobody knows what's gonna happen, but I won't be surprised if this is the last manipulation before we hit all those all-time highs on all these coins. Okay, just do not be surprised. Maxter said, good day to buy a discount. Thanks for the stream. Absolutely, I agree with you 100%. Today, things like today, we call that the sale week. That's all. Simple as that. Simple as that. Okay, and I hope you guys have been following me on a daily basis and a weekly basis, and always, guys, I don't know how you deal with your portfolio and things like that. I always make sure that, for example, as you guys know, I trade stocks and derivatives. Let's say I have 50% of my whatever wealth, whatever it is, in crypto. That 50%, I keep at least, let's say 20%, 10,000, just an example, right? Always for days like this, because there will always be another beautiful day in the crypto space to get in. Because as I said in the beginning of this stream, the crypto market is still very, very, very manipulated. And you'll still be like that for now. Don't worry about that, okay? It's going to be like this for long term. Until we have that mass adoption so we can get some equilibrium from the big guys. Guess what? I think one investor, two investors, one hedge fund, one institution can manipulate the market very, very, very easy. Of course, it doesn't come from you and me, but the big guys can manipulate the market whenever they want, however they want. Because if they want to buy, guys, Bitcoin, let me find Bitcoin here. If they want to buy Bitcoin, guys, at 28,000, they can buy tomorrow. Simple as that. There's no question asked. Simple as that. They can push this price here, guys, all the way down here. Not just in terms of money, but in terms of news as well, because we know how the mainstream media works. We know you can buy whatever you like. You can even put your face on the Forbes magazine cover if you want to. All right? Everything these days pretty much for sale. If they do want, guys, drop all the way here, they can. And guess what? The whole thing will sell off. The whole thing will sell off. Not just Bitcoin, but the whole thing will sell off. So we just need to be patient. Patient, discipline. Make sure we have the cash in spare in our portfolio so we can take advantage of days like this. Okay, of course, I'm not buying Cardano today because I'm pretty much like already invest on Cardano. But for people that was thinking and or having FOMO that they're never gonna buy Cardano again, here we go. You just had a beautiful entry on this level. Okay, even if Cardano, guys, is still selling off, it doesn't matter. At this point here, you put yourself in a really good position to make money. Of course, if this level here doesn't hold, the next level for Cardano, guys, is anything between 1.5 all the way down to $1. This will be another awesome level to get into Cardano again. But of course, you can come here, you can pick whatever project you like, and they'll work the same. Okay, guys, this is just a live stream, a quick one. I wasn't any thinking to do this, but I think it's very important that we go through days like this, because days like this we can use as a really, really nice case study. Because for us long-term investors, days like this, like I said on the title of my video, is just another day in the office. Nothing else. Nothing different from what was yesterday when the whole market was just green everywhere. Today is just a bloodbath. But when it comes to crypto, like 20%, 10%, 7%, 15%, guys, it's just normal. It's just normal. That's why I always say to you guys, it is impossible. It is impossible to do short-term trading. Okay, it's almost impossible. All right. Landream Chance, sorry if I'm butchering your name or your profile. What coins would you consider investing in these major dips in your opinion? All the coins that I cover in my channel, all of them. Okay, all the coins that I cover in my channel, 90% to 95% are all coins that I hold myself in my portfolio. Of course, again, no financial advice, blah, blah, all content education purpose only. But all the coins, guys, that I cover in my portfolio, I mean, I don't recommend you to buy, but if I wasn't to be fully invest like I am, I'll be buying all of them. Cardano at this level, let's say BTT as well in terms of percentage discount. All this is small project, guys. BTT, what else? Hot, Wink, Vet, One, all of them. You can just buy them for the sake of how much they are trading below its intrinsic value, below the 88. If you can even forget about technical analysis, don't worry about that, because when you buy coin at 70%, 60% below its 88, technical analysis, guys, it doesn't mean anything else anymore. None at all. Forget about all the technical analysis, because let's go into CoinGecko here like I always do to you guys. Let me just change this to, let's say, BTT, for example, okay? But doesn't matter. It can work for any other projects, right? BTT right now, let's say it's trading at, okay, sorry about that. Let me go to FAR, right? Thanks, Levin. You can work, you can use this for any asset. It doesn't matter, okay? It can work for FAR, it can work for BTT, it can work for anything. I don't know why CoinGecko, it's out of there. But let me go into here to the chart, the trading view, okay? Why now, right? Let me just measure this. Why now we are trading at a whopping 70% from the 88. But as far as I'm concerned, I think FAR, the 88, wasn't here on 6th of May. If I'm not wrong, you guys might correct me. For some reason, I can't get access to CoinGecko. But I think FAR, the 88, was done in 2018, if I'm not wrong. This is the only thing sometimes you need to pay attention to, because most of the coins that I cover in this project, the 88 was just done like 4 months ago, 3 months ago. And the sell-off was just due to the massive sell-off we had in the market, and the market being Bitcoin. And of course, the small caps, guys, we always take time to recover in comparison to Bitcoin, to the major ones. Look, for example, XRP recovered very well. VeChain recovered very well. What else? Solana doesn't even need to talk about. Luna, crazy up there. Matic, Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, all of them is doing amazingly well, despite the fact what Bitcoin is doing. But the small caps, that's the only problem sometimes, because the small caps, guys, they are not correlate to Bitcoin or the market, okay, on the way up. They're not equals to 1, guys. The correlation here to Bitcoin, I should say probably 0.3 maximum to maximum 0.5, no more than that. No more than that at all. But on the way down, guys, it's 100% correlate. If Bitcoin sell off, of course, all these small cap will sell off. But by the way, going back to FAR here, days like this in massive sell-off, okay, place like projects like this, even if we take this, which was what, 6th of May at the 88, you're still buying FAR right now at 71%. It cannot get better than this. And of course, if you go very small here, right, and no matter what happened to the market, if the market do sell off more and maybe more, and if you still believe that FAR will do very well in the long run, guess what? You can still do your DCA, lower your average cost even more lower, and after that, guys, we only have one chance. We small investors, long-term holding. There's no other ways to do. There's not other ways to do. Like I mentioned to you guys many times, I could come up here with a beautiful course. Beautiful course. Look at this, guys. I said to you guys, once you become a member here, right, you can unlock whatever it is. These videos here, I've seen people selling course online for $1,000 out of these 2 videos that are pretty much what, once you become a member here, which is like what, $7, you can get access to this video, and people are selling this for like $500. It's just unbelievable. But when it comes to crypto, guys, you can do on your own. There's no course, there's none over there, there's nothing over there which is gonna help you to make money in crypto apart from long-term investing. And that's it. Simple as that. Okay, like I said to you guys, I could be pushing here down to you guys throw like a course for $100, $200, $300, but guess what? You can do on your own. That's 100%. Okay, just need to be patient, discipline, and make sure you have that dry powder so you can take advantage of days like this. But FAR is not a very good example, Levan, to be honest, because FAR is still way down anyway. But a good example, guys, would be probably like Cardano. What else? Let me see if I find another one here, which would be a really good example to use in sell-offs days like this. Like VeChain, for example. Okay, look at this, guys. This is just beautiful. Beautiful. Today, at one point, you could have got VeChain for what? 35% discount, which is one of the best projects to get involved right now. not just VeChain, XRP, Cardano, Ethereum, Polkadot, Magic, Solana, Chainlink, but in terms of risk to reward, guys, a project that's really lagging behind its fair value, VeChain is one of the best of them. That's for sure. I don't know if you guys agree with me. I don't know if you guys hold VeChain. By my point of view, for the long term, 3 years, 5 years, I think this is a life change project. That's for sure. I'm not even going to go through the fundamentals or the mass adoption in Asia, Singapore, China, things like that. But in the long run, it's a massive project to hold. And guess what? Today, we could have got it at 35% discount. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. That's why we always make sure we have that 10%, 15%, 20% of our portfolio, guys, sitting in cash. Okay? Just make sure you always have some dry powder behind. Okay? I'm not talking about here dry powder, guys, to do your DCA in your project. I'm talking about here the whole portfolio, the full portfolio, which I do explain, guys, in this video here. Okay? Please go and watch this video. Are very important, especially if you are new to crypto. If you want to get in right now, there's no guessing, there's no gambling. And days like this, you should have put yourself in a really good position if you have followed those rules. Okay, I don't know if you guys have more questions. This is just a simple stream, guys, because I love days like this. I think it's very important. All the lessons that we learn as investors, it's done in the bearish market. Okay, because like I said to you guys many times, on the way up, guys, during the bull run, every single person in this world is a genius. You guys are genius. Myself is a genius, because guess what? In a bull run, every stupid person become a genius, become the best investor ever, because guess what? Look at this. Just buy and hold and nothing else. But we need to learn to have tools in our toolbox to manage our investments in days like today. Actually, days like today is just like a sell-off. But what about what if we do keep selling off the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks? What can you do? And that's what I try to teach you guys in this channel, because once we take care to this thing to the left, market can still sell off, and guess what? We'll still be fine. Okay, guys, don't forget, if you do want to get involved to our Discord, here on the Discord group, you guys can ask me whatever you like. We are building a beautiful Discord group. You guys can be part of here. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if Jason is still here. If you look all the way in the beginning of the comments, Jason, it's one of the member of our Discord group. Look, there's no confusions, there's no stress, there's no prediction, there's no gambling, none of these, guys, none of these. You guys are welcome to join our Discord. And Jason, don't forget, if you're still here on this live stream, don't forget, tomorrow night I'll be doing the live stream like I mentioned. Let me see if I can find here. Like I mentioned here on this comment here, tomorrow we have Bali, Bojack, Edward, Jason, Mike, and Shino. We have 6 members, guys, and tomorrow the channel gonna give away to 2 of them the whole membership back in whatever coin they might like. Okay, our Discord group is not a place for you guys to get confused, to get annoyed with 10 entry, 20 analysis, 4 indicators. No. It doesn't work like that. You're gonna learn straight from the horse mouth, and that's it. I've seen a lot of Discord group with 1,000 people, 500 people. Those things, guys, they are free for a reason. Because those guys build those Discord, they put people to look after for them. Imagine if you're in a group where 100 people is telling you something different. It just doesn't make sense. You're just gonna confuse yourself, okay? But remember, guys, this Discord group, it's not a trading signal. It's just mine, like people that wants to make money with the long-term investing approach. And I always will look after you guys. And the bigger our group become, the more giveaway I'll give to you guys. The same thing in our channel, guys. Don't forget, the month of August, we gave $50 away, but that was canceled. But so far, you guys are telling me to add that to the month of September. Let me refresh this page here to see if we got any more subscribe, any more vote. We had 53, so far we had 54. If it stays like this, guys, by tomorrow night, I'm gonna add that $50 to the month of September. So the channel will be giving $100 for the month of September. And that's come from, guys, a sponsorship. And the sponsor is myself. Okay, this channel doesn't have a sponsor. Okay, so I'm sponsoring the channel myself. But if you guys want to sponsor the channel to give back to you guys, you are free to do it. Okay, I am putting $100 for September. If you guys want to put some more to give to someone that you guys think deserve more than you and myself, because guess what, guys, maybe for us $100 doesn't make difference, but maybe for someone else might make a massive difference. So if you guys want to add on the top of this to give to someone else, you guys are welcome. Okay, but don't forget, this is not for me, this is for the subscribers. Okay, if you guys want to add to it, I'll mention your name, you can record a video, I'll post your video on my channel, and will be much appreciated. And I'm pretty sure the winner will be much appreciated as well. So you guys feel free to be a channel partner. You guys can do whatever you like, because I think right now in this world, it's all about sharing and caring. And don't forget, guys, our channel is growing very, very fast. As you guys can see, let me clean this. I was using this for a record today. We are 2.65K right now. So now we are roughly almost 2.7. The more bigger the channel become, guys, the more the channel is gonna give back to you guys. For now, the channel can only afford 50 per month, but maybe we're gonna afford 500, maybe 5,000, maybe, guess what, 50,000 per month. We just don't know. The bigger we get, the more I'm gonna give back to you guys. Okay, because I really do appreciate all your support. All right, yeah, Jason, thank you very much. I think I don't want to mention names here to people, because I appreciate the support of all of you guys. But Jason is just amazing support. I really do appreciate, mate, all your support. But all of you guys that watch my videos on a daily basis, I really do appreciate. And I hope you guys are getting the meaning, yeah? Because not many people understand that the last thing you guys need to be worried about is my technical analysis. Because when it comes to investing, guys, keep it simple. Use the KISS concept, okay? Use your support, whatever how you draw there. Because I might put my support here, you guys might put down here. You might put up here, you might put up here. It doesn't matter. Once we use risk management, the rest doesn't matter much, okay? But the technical analysis, guys, during my daily analysis is the last thing you should be worried about. As you guys can see, I spend sometimes, what, 15, 20 minutes on my videos, and all the videos could have done with 5 and 4 minutes, which would be way better for me in terms of click-through rates on my YouTube channel. But I really don't care, guys. I don't mind. I don't mind if someone is gonna watch the whole content and the YouTube is gonna start to rank the video higher. And this is not the purpose of my channel. The purpose of my channel is for me to provide as best as I can in terms of content to you guys, so you can build a beautiful community. Okay, I am based in Australia, and the reason I'm awake right now at 2:22 a.m. is because I invest in the stock market in the US, and I love have this community, especially things like this, doing this live stream and spend time with you guys. So the YouTube channel, guys, is not something that is just for the money purpose. Of course, all of us wants to make money, but it's also for us to have amazing time and build a beautiful community. That's what it is, nothing else. Okay, if I spend too long on my videos, I'm really sorry about that. I hope you guys appreciate, because things that I say, the bits and bobs, are way more important, guys, than just the technical analysis. Okay, guys, I don't know, there's much to be said, to be honest. It was just a quick live stream. Like I said, beautiful day, beautiful day to use as a case study. Okay, amazing day. The stock market today, let's have a look on our one indicators that we have. It's still grinding higher. The S&P is still going higher, and I cannot believe the so-called professionals of Wall Street is still trying to guess when the market's gonna crash. Okay, guys, nobody knows. You don't know. I don't know. Okay, the best thing for us, remember, is to take care of things to the left and let the right side take care of itself. We don't care what's happening to the right side, because guess what? Everything is being taken care of to the left side. This is the side we small retail investors can take care of. To the right, let the big guys take control. We just invest with them. Whatever they do, we take advantage of that. That's all. I don't know if you guys have seen those little birds that eat from crocodiles' mouths. This is us. If the big guys are the crocodiles, we just eat the little bits and bobs between their teeth, nothing else. Because, guys, we do not stand a chance. If you Warren Buffett cannot move the market with $100 billion in cash right now, let alone you and myself, okay? Guys, I'm going to finish here. I don't know if you guys have any more questions. This is just a quick analysis, okay? I love do things like this. I'll probably do this more often. But like I just showed you guys, I'm really busy with my other investments with stocks and derivatives. And of course, I have to do the analysis for you guys every single day as well. Edit the videos, do the thumbnails. It takes a long time as well. And of course, need to go to the gym to look after my health. Okay, and I hope you guys are doing the same. Okay, always make sure that the first thing, guys, look after your health. That's the main thing. Also, guys, another thing that I think I was saying last week in my videos, which is, I think is very important. I came across this saying, I think, a few years ago, and I wouldn't say it was a life changer because I've been quite, like, say, a motivate-driven person. But as you guys can see, I run this YouTube channel in the English language. And I'm not an English native speaker, as you guys can see from my accent. Beautiful accent, by the way. But anyway, so guys, no matter what your dream is, okay, start your dream today. No matter what it is, doesn't matter if it's investment or whatever it is, start today, okay? And if your dream is to invest in crypto today, even if it's $10, it doesn't matter, okay? Even if it's $10, okay, $100, or maybe $1,000, it doesn't matter, because guess what? Once you invest money you can afford to lose, it can be 10, it can be 10 millions, it doesn't matter, okay? Because one day you might be able to run, say, a small company, like you can take care of your money and someone else's money. Because if you can, guys, look after $10, $100, $1,000 with proper money management, risk management, you can run $100 million, because the strategy, guess what, is still the same. If you cannot provide return on $100 account, $1,000 account, you're never gonna be able to provide on $1 million account, because the procedure is the same. So if your dream, guys, is to become a full-time investor or whatever it is, start today. Do not wait for tomorrow. But no matter what your dream is, guys, just start today. Just press the trigger. This YouTube channel actually took me too long to start it. I should have started this long time ago. But guess what? Just press the trigger. No matter what it is, no matter how bad you are, just start. And with time, you're gonna get better, and better, okay? I would love to finish our stream with that saying, because I think it's very, very important, right? The last comment from MR302F150. WTF is going on with this sell-off? I'm gonna call you MR302, yeah? You're a little bit late to the stream, but I was saying before, we don't know. And guess what? We don't need to know either. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what's the reason behind it. I don't know who is manipulating. Of course, things like these, guys, we do not have control. Okay, like I was saying to the guys before on the stream, days like this, you need to take days like this not as a sell-off day. You need to take days like these, guys, as a sell day. These are the days you make all your money, whatever asset class might be. It can be crypto, it can be stocks, it can be derivatives. These are the days that we made all our money, okay? Because once you buy things at a massive discount price, guess what? You put yourself in a much better position. Of course, just bear in mind one thing, guys. We don't know if this is the bottom, okay? Like using VeChain, for example, but it can work for any project. We might still selling off all the way down here to, let's say, to 5 cents on VeChain. We just don't know. But it's much better to buy, guys, at this level here. Let's say, I think it was 30%. It's much better to buy VeChain at 35% discount than buy all the way up here. So days like this is just a discount day, nothing else. Nothing else, okay? Really nothing else. But of course, At the leads winner, should I buy more? I don't know what is your base cost. I don't know when was the first time, what price you bought. Because depend on what price you bought for the first time, there's no point, okay? There's no point. Unless, I mean, let me give my honest opinion, for example. This is not financial advice, guys, but if you bought, let's say, if you are holding the empty bag because you bought all the way up here for whatever reason was, it doesn't matter. I'm not here to bash anybody, okay? Maybe you're probably watching a different channel at that time. Let's say you jump into FOMO, you bought all the way up here. First thing first, at this level, you should have gone in very, very small, by the way. Very, very small. Like I always say to you guys in my channel, rule number 3, go very small, because we are only one tweet away from a massive sell-off like today. And actually, I was mentioning this yesterday. So, by the way, if you bought all the way up here, you should have been able to do at least 2 DCA in the way down. Okay? So, if you bought all the way up here and you bought all the way down here, your average cost should be exactly an average where the price is trading right now. So, right now, you should be at break even though you bought all the way up here. This is how powerful it is, guys, money management. You can still buy at a really bad place, but if you use risk management, you can still manage your trades no matter what happens. Of course, you need that long-term approach. It doesn't happen overnight, okay? But the more worse the sell-off become, the better it is your DCA. That's how it works, guys, in my investment career. When I invest in any kind of project, no matter what it is, if it's stocks or derivatives, let me give an example for you guys again, right? I just showed this like what, 20 minutes ago. Let me share this screen again. Today, right? I know these derivatives. Don't get confused. I'm not getting away from the top here, right? I'm answering the question of leads winning. Should I buy more? And I said to her, I don't know what your average cost is. For example, I sold an option today on BA. BA is trading at $213, okay? Let me go back to the chart. BA is trading at $213, for example, okay? The worse BA drops, the more BA drops in terms of the price, the better it becomes for me to manage that trade. Okay, because if you are patient and disciplined and let the price drop as much as it can, your DCA can work even better on your side. Because, for example, if you bought all the way up here, your first order, and if you buy all the way here again on VeChain, your base cost, it's all the way up here. And don't forget, you should have one more to do, because you always should be able to have at least 2 DCA on whatever project you get in. It can be VeChain, Cardano, XRP, it doesn't matter. Follow rule number 3. It's very, very crucial that you guys understand what I'm talking about, okay? I bought about 2 months ago. I'm still profiting but losing on my recent buy. Okay, so if you bought 2 months ago, you probably bought somewhere, I don't know, around here. Now you lose. Now, I don't think so. Let me just give you a case study, for example, right? If someone bought all the way up here, okay, in my point of view, maybe at one level that you should have bought again, or maybe ladder in on the way up, was on this pullback here, okay? But of course, guys, one thing you need to pay attention. When we have here a massive 78% discount, okay, it's very important that although you're gonna chop your entries, let's say in 3, okay, this entry here, guys, is not the same as this entry here. That's for sure. Okay, if you have $1,000, for example, you don't put $300 here when a project is selling off for 80%, and you put another $300 here on the way up. Okay, things like this. I'm not saying here to go full long on $1,000, but in place like this, myself, what I do is I'll put $500 and I'll leave at least 2 entry on the way up to ladder in the way up of $250, because position like this at this level at 78% discount, even if the price is still selling off, you will still buying at massive discount price, okay? And leads, if you bought all the way down here, okay, and if you ladder in all the way up here, why now? That's nothing to do. Nothing to do at all, in my honest opinion. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Although you might still lose in here for whatever reason might be, because I don't know exactly what price you bought. But if you bought all the way down here and somewhere around here, why now? Nothing. Nothing to do with VeChain in your point of view. Okay, using your example as a case study. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Okay, that's for sure. All right, just be patient and be disciplined, because if you bought here and your entries is the same, your average cost is somewhere around here. So you're still making money if you combine both positions together. Okay, if you have a look on your both positions together, you should be making money now, because your average cost should be around what, like 0.09. All right, XRP, guys, it's just XRP today was just a gift from God. The same thing like everything else, okay? The same thing like everything else. Whoever thought we could have bought XRP at 95 cents in the last 24 hours? If you have said to someone that XRP was going to be trading at 95 cents in the last 24 hours, they will probably laugh in your face. But, like I always say to you guys, we are only one Twitter from a massive disaster in the crypto space. That's why, guys, going very small at the beginning, it's very, very important. Very, very important, okay? If you miss this massive drop here all the way to this dynamic support here, which is the moving average, in my point of view right now in XRP, none. Nothing to do in my point of view. I'll still follow whatever I did on my last analysis, which was, I think, yesterday. I'll still wait here, guys, for the breakout and buy again. Because right now, we just came back to this no man's land. I'll be doing nothing right now with the XRP, okay? The press gamer, I invest 20,000, blah, blah. Okay, so he just pretty much repeat his, blah, 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 his comments below. That he invests 20,000, 6 coins. And then it's making 3,000. His portfolio is up to 23,000. Very good. Very good, very good, very good, okay? Guys, I don't know if you guys have more questions, okay? This is just a quick live streaming, all right? Just to let you guys know what I think about days of today. But make sure, guys, you have that dry powder in your portfolio so you can take advantage of days like today's, okay? If you have any more questions, please just write your question on the comments and I'll try to cover it and give my honest overview. Another thing as well, for those of you that arrived right now, don't forget the month of August, okay, we got pretty much burned because the winner of August giveaway, the $50, came from a scamming comment that was canceled. And I put a poll here, guys, so you guys can vote what you guys wanted me to do. And so far, you guys are telling me to add that $50 from August to September giveaway. So September is going to be $100. If it's finished like this, Wednesday, 8th of September, 8 p.m. Okay? If it stays like this, I'm going to put that 50 into the September one, making September $100. And guys, don't forget, I just said to you guys, this $100 is sponsored by me, by myself. My channel do not have any sponsor yet, but we don't know. Like I always say to you guys, this channel is also a long-term investing. Maybe eventually one day we might have a sponsorship from someone that want to give away something to the subscribers. Maybe in a couple of months, or maybe in 6 months, or maybe 1 year, we might get some sponsor that this channel wouldn't just give you away for you guys $50, might maybe what, 500, maybe 5,000. We just don't know. We are just growing, guys, very slow, but nice. And I want to say thank you very much for all of you guys that subscribe to the channel, that support the channel, no matter where you are in this world, Asian, Europe, South America, North America, doesn't matter. Thank you guys so much. And I hope you guys are getting the point of the content. Again, just want to repeat myself here. The main thing, guys, when you watch my content, the technical analysis is the last thing you should be worried about. Technical analysis doesn't help anyone to make money. Okay? Once we follow, guys, our 3 rules plus support, which is supply and demand, these 4 rules here, guys, it's what help us to make money in the long term. Technical analysis is just another confluence tool, nothing else at all. Okay, like you guys saw here, this is my small portfolio here on Taste Trade. I do have another account which is bigger than this one here. The reason I'm up like 42 this year, account is only like what, I start like 150, something like that. And guys, there's no indicators at all. Nothing, okay? Like I said to you guys, the only thing I trade there on the derivatives and stock portfolio is just buying and investing in things way below its intrinsic value, which is very, very important. I haven't created a strategy. Of course, the person that does this all the time, there's a name and goes for the name of Warren Buffett. I cannot take credit for something that I haven't created. But that's all, guys. Once we have that patience and that discipline to wait for the price to come to us, look at Cardano, for example. Look at this. Okay? I put a video, guys, like I was saying to you guys in the beginning of the stream. I put a video saying that I would love to buy Cardano again, let's say for $2.30, 20 cents. If I haven't got in yet to Cardano, some of the people start to comment, are you mad? Cardano never reached those levels. Why you start to bashing Cardano? Guys, I have plenty of tokens of Cardano. Okay, and I said to you guys, just be careful, because guess what? We are only one news away for the whole crypto space to lose its ass. And that's what happened. Okay, that's how it works in the crypto space, and it will still be like this for the next few years. Okay, but guess what? Things like today's, guys, present to us beautiful opportunity, because all the money that we make, okay, all the money that we make in crypto, guys, are made during bearish market. We don't make money on the way up, guys. We don't make money on a bullish market. We make money during the bearish market. Take advantage of market sell-off and those great opportunities that present to us. Okay? We do not get paid by trading every day. We get paid by sitting in our hands. That's why I always make sure I mention this to you. Guys, wait for the price to come to you. Okay, we don't take money out of the market. Okay, the market give to us, like he gave here, he gave here, he gave here, he gave here, and he gave today. Like I said to you guys, you can still selling off, that's fine, but guess what? Buying here and buying up here, it's not the same thing. Okay, and guess what? If you Cardano, guys, is still selling off, maybe to this dynamic support here, the moving average, or maybe to this support, or maybe all the way down here, guess what? It's just a bonus from God. It's a gift from God. That's all. Okay, because patience, guys, and discipline always paid off. Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish from here. I don't know if you guys have any more question. Okay, if you have any more question, any project that you might want me to have a look in terms of technical analysis, I'll be very happy to have a look. But all the projects, all the beautiful projects that we cover in this channel, okay, all of them, from what? Cardano, VeChain, Harmony, BTT, Holochain, Wink, Ethereum, Telcoin, XRP, XLM, STMX, ChiliZ, what else? Faro, Polkadot, Matic, what else do we cover? Dogecoin, Chainlink. Guys, all of them was on a massive sale today, and I hope you guys took advantage of it. I'm not mean like you guys went full on, and I hope not, but at least all of them present to us a really nice place to have put at least a small position on those projects. Okay, that's why patience and discipline always paid off. Okay, is anyone have more question? I might just cut from here if you guys don't have any more question. Guys, thank you very much. I really do appreciate all your support. Thank you so much. Don't forget, if you guys do want to join our Discord, you guys are welcome. Okay, but please, if you do come and join our Discord, as you guys can see, there's no guessing, there's no gambling, there's no confusion. Okay, like I said to you guys in the beginning of the video, sometimes most of the Discord group have like 500 people, 1,000 people, everyone with different analysis. You can find trades all day long on those groups, and guess what? None of them make money. It's just confusing themselves. You need to learn is straight from the horse's mouth. And I'm pretty much here 24/7 to help you on whatever you might like. At least I'll give you my honest opinion. And guess what? If I don't help you make money, at least I'm never gonna help you to lose money either, because you can do on your own. But once you learn and put in your mind that long-term investing, patience and discipline is the only way to do in the crypto space, you should be fine. Okay? Guys, thank you very much. I really do appreciate. I don't think we have any more questions at all. It's mean that you guys are pretty much doing absolutely fine. Okay, and I want to take it there as my answer. Okay, thank you very much for Jason. Thank you very much for Levan. Thank you very much Landream Shan. Thank you very much Maxtor. Thank you very much Depressed Game. Thank you very much Gavin Ho. Thank you very much Kane Taylor #86. Thank you very much to Redna Soul. Thank you very much to Rian Lynch. Thank you very much all of you that was part of this live stream. Okay, don't forget, tomorrow I'll be back again with my daily analysis. Today, 7th of August, I put away on my channel the daily analysis of Chainlink, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Polygon, Matic, and AMP. Okay, please go and watch if you do follow one of these channel on those projects, if they are interest you. And tomorrow probably gonna be back with what I think it's Cardano, XRP, TLZ, StormX, Wink, and Telcoin, if I'm not wrong. Okay, no, actually, yeah, I think so. Okay, or might be BTT, Harmony, VeChain, Holochain, Fire, and XLM. I'm not sure yet, guys. I need to check on my diary, but I'll let you just keep an eye. Keep watching the content. It's always gonna be for free, and I hope you guys are getting the point. And because I only have, guys, one thing in mind: help you guys the best I can, provide the best content I can, always trying to be honest without pumping, without hyping, because the last thing I want, guys, is to things like this. Okay, like I was saying to you, nothing to do up here, nothing to do up here. Just be patient, be disciplined, be patient. Guess what? Eventually the reward will come. There's no reason, guys, to for me at all, because guess what? Even if this thing hasn't happened today, guess what? If you look to the right, there are plenty of other projects you guys can get in. There are thousands of other projects, all beautiful projects. There's not just the projects I cover in this channel. I cannot cover the whole thing. I try to cover as much as possible, and the projects that I hold myself. Because if I do believe in what I hold, I feel comfortable with to talk about them. Okay, because don't just come here and say, look, buy this good, something that I don't even know what's going on. Okay, so I try to cover those ones that I hold myself, and some few more that you guys request during the YouTube. But feel free, guys, to request whatever project you might like, and I'll do my best to do the review for you guys. But don't forget, on our Discord group, whatever project you might want to there, just request that, and I'll put a private video there just for you. Okay, but just be patient, because the last thing I want, guys, is for you guys to be holding the empty bag. That's the worst feeling ever. And in this channel, guys, we will never gonna fall in. We will never gonna be holding the empty bag. Let people make a lot of money in Solana. Let people be making a lot of money in whatever is being pumping right now. We don't care. Okay, look at this. Let people make a fortune on Solana, on Near, FTM. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Our coins are selling off today, but guess what? Tomorrow we come here, we're going to be 10, 15, 20% up. We just don't know. Okay? And this channel will always look after you guys. Okay? Guys, thank you very much. All the best. Teddy Bear, I think you are a little bit late for the stream, but thanks for joining. Okay? If you do have any question, let me know, because I'm going to finish this stream very soon. Okay, we pretty much talk about quite for a while, so there's not much to be said. It was just a quick live stream to do a nice, really useful case study when it comes to market sell-off. Because like I said to you guys, sorry, the wealth is created during market sell-off. Nobody create wealth. Nobody make a lot of money during the bullish market. All the money, guys, are made of bearish market. Like place like this, when I was saying to you guys, nice place to buy, nice place to buy, nice place to buy. You could have gone like what on Cardano about 220%. Okay, because all the money it's made during the bearish market, not during the bullish market. Okay, guys, any more question? Teddy Bear, thank you very much for joining the stream. I hope you can get the other one in time next time. But for all of you guys that participate in this live stream, I really do appreciate. I might do this more often. Okay, I just need to get some time and make sure I do have content to provide to you guys, because just coming here and talking mumbo jumbo for 2 hours, it doesn't make a difference anyway. Okay, but I'll make sure I put something together so I can help you guys. Maybe you guys can send questions. I can come here on the live stream and I can answer your question during the live stream, so you can share ideas. And again, we can learn together, because I'm pretty sure I have a lot to learn from you guys. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Don't forget, check out all the videos on my channel. And these videos here, guys, very important to watch. Okay, make sure you guys watch these videos here. I'm not just here telling you guys to come here and become a member. This is not the point. Okay, you can even cancel after, it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. But once you become a member here, guys, you can unlock